Iya, ano bang hinahanap mo sa isang lugar na gusto mong pasyalan?
Gusto ko yung malinis, gusto ko yung maaliwalas, yung masarap na pagkain, tsaka yung maraming mapapasyalan.
Alam mo, Iya, ang pinakamaliit na syudad sa Metro Manila ay may malaking atraksyon pagdating sa pagsa-shopping, pasyalan at pagninegosyo. Alamin po natin ang malaking pangarap ng ina ng City of San Juan mula kay Mayor Gia Gomez.
A well-planned city is a dream that I have. So the only way I thought I could have it was to have an urban planner. So I asked a famous urban planner in the person of architect June Palafox, internationally known, and I asked him to give us a good plan for San Juan, a kind of a master plan for the city.
Isa sa mga highlights sa pamamahala ni Mayor Gia sa San Juan City ay ang rehabilitasyon ng mga parke, open spaces, at mga estero.
Because aside from the fact that wala na kaming puntahan kundi to go high-rise, but we will do it in such a way that hindi lahat ay papayagan namin mag-high-rise. There will be places where we will not allow high-rise or even structures so that we can preserve the environmental and ecological balance. Like for example, may I just take the example of the creeks and the waterways. No country has really developed really well without cleaning its waterways. So I think that's one of the things that we were looking into, how to clean the waterways. So there are two. And Architect Palafox had a design for it, and I asked him, how long do you think can we do that? And he said about 8 years. But it depends on how you really work. If you work fast, in 5 years you can have it. I already believe that bawat isa sa atin, nangangailangan tayo ng 10 puno. We can breathe easier. Now we need the oxygen to have a better, healthier life. And so that's why I kept on planting trees, encourage San Juaneños to plant more trees and trees and trees. We don't have enough space for it, I know. Maybe it's dreaming to say that I need 1 million, I need 2 million trees. But I said, even if you cannot plant it in San Juan, you plant it somewhere else, okay lang sa akin. But in San Juan, if we cannot have that number of trees, let's have the smaller ones, no? Yung mga shrubs, or even vegetable gardens, even our own backyard gardens, we can convert that into a little green city. Miski maliliit na bahay, can put up probably ang tawag nila dyan, vertical gardens of vegetables, so that you can have safe food. So I encourage greening San Juan, not just the main streets, but even in your own backyard, in your little houses, you can put up something like that.
Ito ang Barangay Ermitaño sa San Juan City, isa sa mga barangay na sumusuporta sa project ng pamahalaang lungsod. Dito makikita ang hile-hilerang basyo ng mga bote na tila maliliit na hardin sa harapan ng mga bahay at mga bakanteng pader.
Nagkaroon kami ng lakbay-aral sa Pasig noong month ng August. Tapos nakita namin yung mga project nila. Yun nga, isa namin nakita yung plastic bottle na may halaman o mga vegetable na pwedeng taniman. Nung next month na, September hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy namin ginagawa. Sa lukuyan nga ang dami nagre-request eh.
At dahil sa puspusan ang kampanya ng barangay na maisagawa ang proyekto, hinihinga nila ng 2 bote ang bawat residenteng kumukuha ng barangay certificate.
Unang-una namin ginawa, kunyari, instead na magbayad sila ng barangay certificate, ito yung gumawa kami ng barangay resolution na plastic bottle na lang ang sisingilin namin, kumbaga 2 empty plastic bottle, para yun na yung pinaka-bayad nila. At the same time, nakakatulong pa kami dun sa basura. Nababawasan po yung volume ng basura.
Mula sa soft drink bottle na nagiging hanging plant garden, unti-unting nahihikayat ang mga residente ng Barangay Ermitaño na gumawa ng kanilang soft drink bottle garden sa harap ng kanilang bahay.
Nung magsimula sila, nakita ko maganda. Kaya nangangailangan sila ng mga volunteer. Nagpresenta ako na tumulong. Sa ngayon, ako ngayon yung gumagawa ng mga bote at nagbubutas nito, naglalagay ng mga string. Katulong ng mga ibang mga volunteer din na sila naman ang nagkakabit na sa mga bawat pader.